Alright guys, so here we are in Florida. We are in the month of October. I have here my new portable AC unit, and I just turned this thing on to check the surface temperature coming out of the vent itself. I just ordered a ambient temperature thermometer so that we can do more testing later on, but right now out of the unit we are getting a reading of about, let's see, it's dropping currently. I just want to see, it says 71 degrees, now it says 69 degrees, and it keeps dropping. So let's just say it's about 69 degrees, 68, 67. Just keeps dropping. I just turned it on maybe about 2 minutes ago, and yeah, this is just a quick update. I'll be providing a full review very shortly. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys want to see different in this one. I mean, I can pretty much guess it, but keep in mind this thing right here, it's a personal portable AC unit. This one doesn't have the capacity to cool down much. According to the specs, it has a 55 square foot of cooling capacity. But me personally, I would just use it as a personal AC unit. Have a good one.